So guys, I've got this Jio digital live dongle, supposed to be for accessing internet with your phones or your laptop or anything that has a Wi-Fi. With love from Jio. So I thought I would create a short video for you guys during the lockdown, and well, these things are pretty popular these days, given that everyone is working from home and works cannot provide wired internet to everyone. So let's go ahead and unbox this cute little thing. Right, nice. Wow, smells nice too. Sorry about that. You get your regular Reliance Jio Digital Life dongle. Right, this seems to be a 1 ampere charger for the dongle. We get one USB cable. This is not type C, it's old micro USB to standard USB. USB-C would have been appreciated, but this is what we get. And then we get this thing. Let's see what this doohickey is. So this seems to be a battery for the dongle. Let's see what more do we get in this. So this right here is our Jio 4G voice dongle for accessing the interwebs, as kids these days would call it. Comes with a nice packaging, not bad. I would say presentation or packaging is really nice. Looks very nice. It has indicators for power on, WPS to connect, password free, designed in India. Okay, that's nice, something for Make in India. Your charging port, power on button, WPS button, nice tactile feeling. Alright, let's see what happens when you open it. Okay, so here all you get is a SIM card tray, an SD card tray. Okay, alright, so I have entered the SIM for you guys. Left side is the SIM, right side is the SD card, and all you got to do is just slide it in with just a tiny clicking noise. You know that it's there. And yeah, you can simply slide in the battery. Nice. Right. Let's turn it on, shall we? And there it is. Battery seems to be full. Nice. Always a satisfying feeling. Alright. Seems pretty perfect. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you loved it. Please stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.